To access the Zoom training modules, you must first log into your Chico State Blackboard Learn. Next, find your organizations link and click on that. Scroll down your list of organizations until you find the Student Learning Center link and click on that. This will direct you to our Student Learning Center Blackboard Learn page. To access Zoom training modules, go to the left-hand side and click on the Zoom training link. This should open up all the Zoom training modules that you'll need to go through and complete to set up your Zoom account with all the necessary features to run your tutoring or SI session. Start at the top with the Welcome module by clicking on it. Once inside the Welcome module, you will find important information to guide you through the training. Make sure you go through every single slide and read all the important information that are provided for you on the slides. You will notice that at the end of each module, there is a slide with a link that takes you to the next module so that you can seamlessly go through all the modules. Most of the modules will include a short quiz to check for your understanding. Make sure you complete these short quizzes. After you take the quiz, go back to the current module you're on, go to the last slide, click on that, and move on to the next module. If you want to take a break or if you accidentally click out of a module, don't worry. Just go back into the Student Learning Center Blackboard Learn, go to the Zoom training modules link, and you will have full access to all the modules all over again. Make sure you complete all of these modules and let us know if you have any questions.